What's up, beautiful people? So I am back on the streets. When they say streets, you know what I mean, right? But today I'm in airport residential area and we are doing Ghanaian snacks. So I have a lot of things to show you about Ghanaian snacks. But before we get into this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share this video. Please help me get to 2,000 subscribers before the end of the month. With that being said, let's get into this video. Come on, guys. So the first Ghanaian snack I'm going to show you is fan yogo with Bofrot. So I'm with Mr. Simon and he's giving me fan yogo. He's shy, so I can't, film him as well. But can I have fan yogo? How fan yogo looks like? It's a Ghanaian snack. One of well-known popular Ghanaian snack. Every single person likes this, from young children to old people, including me. How fan yogo looks like. It's so delicious and yummy. All you need to do is bite it on the side and then you suck it. It's so delicious. And then we have Ghanaian Bofrot. This is how Bofrot looks like in Ghana. Bofrot is the same as chitumbua if you're in Zambia. It's the same as puff puff if you're in Nigeria. Or puff puff is the English name, right? No, the English name is donut. So yeah, this is Bofrot, puff puff, chitumbua, or donuts. So delicious. You can have it with yogurt. So I'm going to continue eating my yogurt, and then I'm going to show you other interesting Ghanaian snacks for you to try. So yummy, so yummy. And then this is our Bofrot, just break into it. Hey guys, so I find myself still in airport, but at the other side we are going to try more Ghanaian snacks. So come along with me. I'm going to try one of my favorites, which is plantain chips, brown plantain chips. So come along with me, you're going to love it. I've met a beautiful young lady right here and she sells Ghanaian snacks. I have not really tried them and I don't know what they're really called. So I'm going to ask her about them and I'm going to test them and let you know what I really think about them. Okay. So Sarah is very shy, but she said the name of the snack is Opolo. So she said the name of the snack is Opolo and it's made out of coconut. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well because she's laughing at me right here, but we're going to try one. It looks like this is polo and I heard it's made out of coconut. I guess there's flour inside, right? It's hard, but it's very hard. It's very crunchy. The texture is very crunchy. It's very nice. Kind of like Bofrot, but a a very hard version of Bofrot. I don't know. It's so good. And then I can feel the coconut kick in. So this is how it looks like. It's so good. I don't know what it is about Ghanaians looking at you and judging you based on what you're doing. Like, it's so weird. This is so good. It's so yummy. It has good texture, good flavor. I love it. I love it. Love it. Hey guys, so now I'm in 37 and I'm trying an Ewe traditional biscuit. It's called Ibe biscuit. It's made out of coconut, starch and sugar. So we're going to try this. This is actually my first time trying this. We're going to open it. Okay. It looks like this. And we're going to try it. So you break it and it tastes really good. Kind of chalky. But you can taste the coconut, you can taste the sugar, you can taste the starch as well. It's actually a pretty good biscuit. So this is Ibe biscuit and I love it. I really love it. So I'm going to do like one more snack and then we'll call it a day. But so far so good. I really love what I have tried. And I'll try more definitely. So let's continue this let's continue this video, not this biscuit. This is one of my favorite Ghanaian snacks, and we're having egg. But they add like pepper to the egg, so it looks like this. So yummy. I like the taste of the pepper. It's so good. You're invited. This is so good. It's so good. So I bought maize and I'm going to have it with coconut, like Here in Ghana, they have maize with coconut and it tastes so good. So I'm going to have a bite of my coconut. With my maize. It is so good. So good. I am so tired, my tummy's aching, but I had a very nice time. I really enjoyed the Ghanaian snacks. Honestly, I've not actually had a chance or time to really taste some of these snacks, but I'm grateful I took time of my day to actually taste these snacks and share my experience with you guys. I love them. I really love them. And my favorite so far was surprisingly, I love the Ayube biscuits and the polo biscuit as well. Of course, you never go wrong with maize. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share this video, and see you in my next video. Bye.